Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A reactionary bearish black crow yesterday, which was not quite good enough to be a bearish engulfing pattern or a key reversal down, but still a pretty good effort. However, it still hasn't done anything to redefine the recent sideways action between about 7,200 to 77.5. The market did punch down through the not so strong April 2019's high at 75.58, as well as the lesser Fibonacci line at 75.21 just below, but stopped short of testing the next support, the May 2019 high at 73.38. Meanwhile above, well, the market was again capped by the 50% Fibonacci line of the April 2021 to March 2022 move at 77.54, plus now the declining short-medium moving average, currently at 77.40. Overall, well, for weeks now I've asked a question that still remains unanswered. Is the action since early April a possible double bottom, triple bottom, or a bearish halfway hesitation? This was getting quite tedious over a week ago, and I've recently put a new idea to the whole mix in hope that might stimulate some ideas and movement. It is that perhaps the early May today action may be turning into a rectangle pattern. I'll just leave that thought with you again for now. Now, so far today, well, a lower open and a move down through the May 2019 high. The next supports are the close together September 2019 high at 71.99 and the 2020 high at 71.75. The market seems to be in no hurry to test them so far. Spot gold. A full bearish black crow yesterday and almost a bearish closing black Mariposa, but not quite. It was nevertheless the lowest low and low close since mid-March. It was also the second clear consecutive close below the flatlining medium moving average, currently at 1943, and also the first close below the support of the June 2021 high at 1916 since mid-March. Now, I speculated yesterday that the action since early May today may be a possible bearish halfway hesitation. It has elements of this pattern, though it's far from a clear example of one. So I've posted a potential target X at 1864 for such a pattern, just in case. Underneath the June 2021 high, we have a lesser Fibonacci support, 1896, but then seemingly very little until the rising long moving average below, which is currently at 1855, and that's moving up quite nicely to target X. So far today, a slightly lower open and a small dip lower as well, but the market seems right now to have taken at least temporary fright at the recent moves lower and pulled itself up to, I suppose, the comfort of the June 2021 high.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.